Happy Friday, SWCS parents. This is Christy, and I just wanted to make a quick video for you. I'm enjoying some peace and some quiet. All of my kids are at school. I have the laundry going, the dishwasher going, so I'm catching up on some paperwork. So like you, I came home with a lot of papers last night, and I have 3 of these, one for each of my students. And so I'm just gonna do a quick video to show you how easy it is to register and sign up for Renaissance Home Connect. So you're gonna wanna use your paper. It has your username and it also has your password on there. It brings you to this page. Now, if your child has already participated in AR quizzes, which I believe all of them have, it's gonna show you their stats. It's gonna show you the quizzes they've taken, what their goal is, what their book level is. Now you do wanna pay attention to the goal and what they're actually doing. So right here, my son is actually a little bit beneath his goal for the level of book that he's choosing. So when he gets home, I'm gonna have to say, hey bud, good job on your AR, but let's try to choose books that are a little bit harder because you're still a little bit under your reading level. He's about halfway to his goal, which is great for the second week of school. One thing I think is cool on here is view my bookshelf. It's just a visual of all the books that they have read and tested on. I think it's kind of a cute thing. But the point of this video is up here. I want to show you the email setup. This is the best part. If you type in your name and your email twice, you're going to receive an email invitation. It looks like this. Now, blah, 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 blah. The important part is to accept this invitation, click here. If you don't click here, you're still just gonna sit in limbo forever. You're gonna be invited and not active. So you'll see I signed up for myself and for my husband. Of course, I went straight to my email and I clicked through. So now I'm active on here, which means I will receive emails every time my child takes an AR quiz or test. My husband, however, he is a busy Marine, he's out of town. He is still just sitting in limbo. He's invited. He'll probably check his email tonight or maybe tomorrow, and hopefully, maybe if he sees this video, maybe he'll click through and choose to become active rather than just invited. So the point of signing up for this is so that you're receiving these alerts direct to your email. We're all busy. We all have so many things we have to log into daily. RenWeb, you must log into daily. It is so important. But this Renaissance Home Connect, I just love that you can get the email alerts. Now, if this video is not helpful enough, if you're still confused, if your password's not working, if you lost your paper, anything like that, please contact Mrs. Swift in the front office. She is an expert at this, and she is more than happy to assist you. Other than that, parents, it's Friday. Friday, as some of us say, happy day. I hope you guys enjoy the rest of your day, and I hope you guys have a blessed weekend, and I will see you around school.